You want more money? You want to save, invest, grow? But here's the truth. Until you fix your money mindset, none of that will work. This video is not about budgeting. It's not about saving $5 on coffee. It's about the way you think, feel, and act around money, and how that is either making you broke or wealthy. Let's go deep, because this one can change everything. Part 1. What is money mindset? Money mindset equals the beliefs, thoughts, and emotions you have about money. It's how you see money, talk about money, handle money, react to money problems or opportunities. And the crazy part, most of your money mindset was formed before you were even 10 years old. What your parents said, how they handled bills, whether money was a stressor or a tool, all of it became your blueprint. So if your money mindset is broken, it's not your fault, but it is your responsibility to fix it. Part 2. 7 signs you have a poor money mindset. Let's diagnose it. Here are some real signs that your money mindset is holding you back. 1. You believe money is evil. You think rich people are greedy. You feel guilt when you get paid well. You sabotage wealth because it feels wrong. 2. You always say, I'm broke, even when you're not. Your language is shaping your reality. 3. You live in survival mode. You only focus on today's problems, no vision for the future. 4. You avoid looking at your bank account out of fear or shame. This creates a cycle of ignorance. 5. You believe you're bad with money, so you never try to get better. 6. You feel uncomfortable talking about money. It's taboo, embarrassing, or worse, boring. 7. You spend emotionally. You buy things to feel good, not because you need them. Part 3. How these beliefs keep you poor. Your beliefs drive your actions. If you think money doesn't matter, you won't track it. I'll never get out of debt. You won't try. Budgeting is for broke people. You'll overspend. I don't need to invest yet. You'll stay behind. Every time you think a disempowering thought, your brain finds proof that it's true. This is called confirmation bias, and it's quietly ruining your bank account. Part 4. Where your money mindset came from. Let's go back. What did you hear growing up? Money doesn't grow on trees. We can't afford that. People like us don't get rich. Money causes problems. Now ask yourself, are those statements facts or just opinions? Because your parents' money mindset was passed to you, but you don't have to keep it. Part 5. Scarcity versus abundance. Let's talk about one of the biggest mindset shifts in personal finance. Scarcity mindset. There's never enough. If they win, I lose. Saving is hard. I'll never get ahead. Abundance mindset. There's more than enough to go around. Money flows to value. I can grow my income. Wealth is possible for me. The rich don't think rich because they have money. They have money because they think rich. Part 6. Common lies we tell ourselves. Let's break a few myths. I'll start saving when I make more money. Truth. If you don't save $10, you won't save $1,000. It's too late for me to invest. Truth. Your future self will thank you if you start today. I just don't have the discipline. Truth. Discipline is a skill, not a personality trait. I'm not a money person. Truth. Money is just math and mindset. Anyone can learn. Part 7. What a healthy money mindset looks like. Let's talk about what to aim for. A strong money mindset looks like believing you can learn anything, knowing money is a tool, not a measure of worth, seeking growth, not just survival, celebrating small wins, viewing money as something you manage, not something that controls you. It's not about being perfect. It's about being intentional. Part 8, how to shift your money mindset. Step by step. Here's a practical process to start transforming your mindset today. Step 1, awareness. Write down your top 5 beliefs about money. Where did they come from? Are they true? Step 2, replace. Replace disempowering thoughts with new ones. Examples. I'm bad with money. I'm learning to manage money better every day. I can't afford that. How can I afford that responsibly? Step 3, take tiny actions. Read a finance book. Track your expenses for 7 days. Save your first $100. Start a no-spend weekend. Action rewires belief. Start small, but start now. Part 9, daily habits to train your money. Mindset. Affirmations. I attract money by being valuable. 10 minutes of financial education a day. Review your budget weekly. Track your net worth monthly. Surround yourself with people who are growing, not complaining. Your environment shapes your mindset. Your mindset shapes your money. Real life. Subscriber story. Jason, 29, used to avoid money completely. He told himself, I'm not smart enough. Money stresses me out. I'll just deal with it later. But later never came. Until one day he hit rock bottom. $5,200 in credit card debt. No savings, late on rent. He started with a notebook and a video from this channel, and he wrote, I am not my past. I choose new thoughts. 6 months later, credit score up 83 points, $1,400 in savings, started investing $50 per month. Jason didn't win the lottery. He changed his mindset, yes, and that changed everything. Part 10, action plan for you. Today, choose one thing from this list. Write out your money beliefs. Pick one new affirmation. Track your spending for the next 7 days. Read one personal finance book this month. Watch 3 more videos from Big Money Booster. Every habit starts with one choice, and this one? It might change your life. Final words. Your money problems aren't just about money. They're about mindset. You don't need to be perfect. You need to be present. You need to believe that change is possible because it is. Like this video if you've ever struggled with your money mindset. Subscribe to Big Money Booster for weekly videos that empower your financial journey. Share this with someone who's stuck in survival mode and needs a breakthrough. Drop a comment. What's one money belief you're letting go of today? Let's support each other in the comments. Thanks for watching Big Money Booster. Keep learning, keep growing, and remember, your mindset is your biggest asset.